slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! And his name is John C.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
Lola.
You, Smalls. Bow. Bow, 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 bow. Boop.
Go ahead, you talk. What doing?
Meow 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 meow. Chen Chen, meow 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 meow.
Hi. Hey, buddy.
Oh, I cried, Amanda.
Just found myself a new pet. Out in the haystack, so I thought I'd bring it in to warm it up. Little thing's kind of ornery. Ouch.
Jerry, stop it! Jerry, stop it! Jerry, stop throwing the plate! Clean it up!
Cyrus, the people want to know. Can we get an a whoop? Thank you.
On this episode of I Raised a Kitten in Quarantine and Now I Have a Cat with Separation Anxiety, we're in the shower.
The person that sent you this, they need you to know you kind of smell like a vaca. Eres llega.
You want more kisses? Okay. More?
Can I get a cheap tape?
Yo, you kinda scared.
You kinda scaring me.
Okay, don't hit the bombs, okay?
Squishy. Hey, baby.
Living with a black cat is kind of like living with a sassy shadow, a fashionable gargoyle, a solar-powered Halloween decoration, a tiny moody night dragon, a roaming judgmental feather duster.
I don't know why, but Puppet just spins in circles around her food unless I pick it up and put it in a box, and then I put Puppet in the box, then Puppet will eat her food.
Are you hungry?
No, no. Stay outside. No, stay outside. Oh my god. You're so close. Watch out.
Why are you so sassy? Why are you so sassy today? What are you gonna do? You big puffball? Ooh! Get over here.
If the torch is not in there, Mom's in my room, dude.
Cut it out.
Nice one, buddy.
So before I moved into my new apartment, I had to meet with property management, and I had two very important questions to ask them. The first one being was, can I paint my own space? And they said, well, as long as you keep it sort of muted tones. And I said, definitely. I always go with a vintage sort of cream color, nothing really extreme. And they said, yeah, that sounds great. And then I was like, okay, cool. So the next question I have is if I can have pets. And they said, well, we don't really allow cats and dogs, but other small animals would be fine. And I was like, oh, wow, that's really cool. Okay, I think this is gonna work. And I got my key and I moved in. And you know what? I just feel like it's mutual respect between landlord and tenant. And if you just keep that balance, you're gonna live a really happy life.
Day 190 of trying to get Lily to love me. Let me out. She's such a pretty lady. Hi Lily. Hello Lincoln. Would you like to hang out with me today? Okay. Mother, leave me alone, I'm spending time with Lily. Lily, can I bring you a gift? Okay. Though we must immediately arrange a special gift for Lily. Hey Lincoln. Holy guacamole. That's her belly. I will bring you a gift tomorrow, Lily. Okay. I can't blow this now. We've come too far.
I don't think I'm allowed to move now because I was scrubbing tanks and this frog, he just swam right into my hand. I guess this is how I have to stay for the rest of my shift. Oh no, it's raining. This over here just got babies. Oh my goodness. She trusts me enough to show me where she found them. Let's see if I can get her in. Come here. Yeah, I know. It's okay. I know. Oh, Henry. Oh, you're soaking wet.
Tables are open. Excuse me. Hi. Hello, little one.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Everyone be quiet.